That's why I changed to silver plate, Swamiji. Because I lived that kind of lifestyle, I know you won't see a single beggar in Jain community, because Jain family system. Jain family takes away some freedom, that is true, but you do not know the power or the energy you are given, or the feeling that you belong to somebody, you belong to a group given to you by the Jain family. Jain family people are always adventurous in their life and business, because they know for sure that there are people behind to support. They will never go bankrupt. They will never go bankrupt. And not only that, for anything you have a confidence. You have a confidence, you have a moral support. You have at least 3-4 people with whom you can fight and do the catharsis. Release your stress, release your tension. People who opt for freedom, then being in joint family, always suffer. I have seen. They always suffer. It ends in a worst suffering. I have studied all possible family systems and social lifestyles. Actually, when I started developing this movement, this mission, I wanted a foolproof system through which I can transmit this knowledge for thousands of years. So I started studying the rise and fall of many empires, not only Roman Empire, many empires. Did a deep research on the sociological systems. All the universities which are doing studies on the stable society are shocked and surprised by the Indian joint family system. First time a year ago, American universities who are doing research on the stability and stable societies are recognizing, not only recognizing, there is a beautiful big theory. They say that Indian joint family system is the most stable, strong social system which can keep the society alive, which can keep people less depressed, and which can keep your lifestyle and culture alive. See, every community, every country, every culture stands for some truths, stands for some ideology. If that country wants that ideology should be transmitted to the next generations properly, Indian joint family is the best lifestyle, best social system. And I went through lot of study. And I went through the other side of the Indian social system also. In the joint family, other difficulties are also there. Like if one person is arrogant, that person will nag everybody unto death. And putting up with a constant nagging is much worse than being in the prison. I studied all those things also. All the negative and plus and minus and all those things. And I started doing research why the joint family system has failed in the modern India. Modern India joint family system is practically disappearing. The materialistic society, all urban societies have dropped that joint family as a lifestyle. And just like how in America the father and son will be staying in the same city but different apartments. The same thing started happening in India also. When apartment systems came to be a lifestyle, in India also the same thing started happening. Father and son will be the same village, same town, but they will be in two different apartments, sometime in the same building but two different apartments. Just they wanted to have the privacy. That's what they That is the word they say to hide all their nonsense and the immoral lifestyle. That's a wonderful word they use. But these guys don't understand the privacy, freedom and all beautiful. The word will have meaning as long as your blood is hot. As long as your blood is hot. As long as it has got some power. As long as it can create some imaginations in you. But these guys do not understand. By 30, 35 itself, blood will start getting cool. It will now, it is time for the blood to settle down, cool down. These guys do not understand. After that, the joint family is the lifestyle. See, from 14 to 35, the joint family will be like very hard, very hard. But after 35, when your intelligence starts working, when your hormones are little settled, you will suddenly realize the decisions which you made, how much it has affected your personality and where you are standing now. After 35, you will realize that you chose freedom which is not valuable. It's like a just emptiness when you are driving in the desert. From a long distance, if you see, you will feel as if there is a big tank in front of you, water tank in front of you. What they call mirage. Mirage. You will feel as if there is a mirage. And they say the air castles in the air, mirage. You will realize the freedom which you chose is more mirage than the reality. It is more just a justification for your hormonal pressure, nothing else. And moreover, when there is a strong hormones in your body, you can't say yes. Saying yes is a disrespect. Saying yes is a disrespect. When you say no, you feel you are somebody. Yes, I am. And one more thing, yes, not only not only comes from arrogance, it can come from insecurity also. Actually, insecurity is a deep arrogance. Anybody who is insecure, let it be very clear, it's a deep arrogance. Complete cunning arrogance does not want to show in the form of arrogance. Any insecurity is a clear arrogance. See, when you do not want to show that you are arrogant, or when you are intelligent enough, not intelligent, foolish enough to think that your arrogance will not be gauged by other person, you show you are as if insecure. Insecurity is the worst arrogance. Out of insecurity and arrogance, both the way you can say no. And both will be when your blood is hot. And the blood is become a little cool. Suddenly you will realize the option which you chose is only the way to, straight way to hell. Straight way to hell. After studying deeply about the plus and minuses of different social system, different social setup, different practices, different lifestyle. If you see my personal library, you will be shocked. Why should Swamiji study so many things about family systems and all? You may think. And even some of our ashramites are making fun of my books, that all kinds of books that rise and fall of Roman Empire. They asked me, what are you going to do studying all these things, Swamiji? And rise and fall of this France guy, that guy who was murdered, that King Louis, 16 Louis, and his wife. All those things I will be sitting and reading from morning till night. And these guys will make fun of me. What are you doing? You are instead of reading all some spiritual literature, you are reading all these things. Tell them, I am studying intensely on the social system. Why they came to that height and why they fell to that valley. What is the reason? Why they are not able to survive? Whether it is an ideological problem or problem with the personality who is supposed to execute that ideology. Whether it is ideology or personal integrity. After studying so many lifestyles and systems thoroughly, I came upon with a clear lifestyle or the system, something, if I have to name that, I call that as an ideological joint family, where you retain your freedom, which you will have if you choose to live independently, and you will have the tremendous support, moral support and social support, which you will have if you decide to live in joint families. See, joint family based on blood relationships has already proved as a failure because of cultural invasion. Already culture is invaded. Our joint family was a big success because our lifestyle, our profession was based on specialization in those days. If your father is a clothes weaver, you will also be weaver. He knows much more in that field because he was in that field for, he is specialized that art. So you need to be under him to learn the art, even to learn the profession. But now the whole system is topsy-turvy, updating, not specialization. Now the lifestyle has become updating. Your son knows much more about the IT than you. His son will know much more than him. So the whole social system has become updation, not specialization. So naturally, now you can't have blood, the joint family is based on blood relationships. After studying that, only I decided the ideological joint families means you will not, see, whatever is said and done, if the joint family is based on blood relationship, you will always put your vested interest on the other person. You will be constantly expecting the other person to follow what you think as a right. Not only that, constantly you will be intruding in his privacy and in his space because you feel that you are authorized. You are given a blank check for the invasion of privacy, or you feel that you are already, you take the other person for granted because you support him, you give him money, you help him. So why not ruin him also a little bit? Why not give some suffering also a little bit? Why only the help? Always this problem will be there with the blood relationship joint family system.